guys, welcome to G's Cuisine. How are you all doing? I trust you're doing great. So for today we're gonna be making steak and potatoes. These are the ingredients we need for the recipe. We have 2 pounds of steak chunk, green onions, some potatoes, 1 onion, steak seasoning, onion and herbs mixed together. We need some table salt, garlic and black pepper mix, beef bouillon, about 6 garlic. Okay, let's begin the process. I already washed the steak. What I'm gonna do right now is just pat dry it with paper towel, just to make sure it's not too moist. You just want to remove the excess water, and that should do it. We're gonna just cut it in smaller chunks, not too small. Put it in your bowl. Just cut it in smaller chunks so it's gonna be easy to cook all the way through and tender. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut your onions. It doesn't matter how you cut it, guys. I'm just gonna be going with like bigger chunks since we're just gonna put everything in the steak. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just go ahead and put that in the steak. You can put this in the trash. Goes in the bowl. Just gonna go ahead and slice the green onions too. You don't want it too small. You just need them in. It should be good. Just put everything in the bowl. We're just gonna mix everything, the spices, everything. We want this thing to marinate together. We can put this aside. Bring our bowl close. So we're gonna go with the salt. You want to put in about half a tablespoon of salt. We don't want a lot of salt in steak, guys. We have our onion powder right here. We'll just put in like half a tablespoon of onion powder. Just put everything in, guys. Put everything in. That's a steak seasoning, like half a tablespoon too. So we just want a little bit of everything. That's our herbs and onion powder. Half a tablespoon. We got some garlic and the black pepper. That should be half a tablespoon. And we have our red pepper flakes. So we're just gonna put in the 2 cubes of bouillon, the beef bouillon. At this point, I'm just gonna put in the olive oil. Just a little bit, say about 2 tablespoons, just to help marinate that baby together. It should be like 2 tablespoons. And put in your garlic. Just gonna throw in the garlic because everything is gonna cook together in the oven, and just mix this baby up and we're good to go. I got my kitchen gloves right here. I'm just gonna mix everything up. Okay. Oh, that smells really good. Just mix everything up. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I have my potatoes washed. I'm just gonna cut them in smaller pieces, so it's easy to cook. Just put that in your steak. And you don't need to take the peelings off. You're good to go. Just cut everything up. Just mix everything in your steak. Okay, so we have everything mixed up together. What we need to do at this point is just get your aluminum foil and just put it in a baking pan. So you're gonna pour in your steak and potatoes into your aluminum foil. You're just gonna take everything and put it in here. You're gonna get all the baby out. I want the potato to be down so it can be able to cook. Just open that out. And that is it, guys. Just close that up. So while you're doing this, you just want to preheat your oven. So we're just gonna wrap everything up. Just wrap everything up. While we're doing this, our oven is already preheating to 350 degrees. So we're just gonna double the aluminum foil so we have more space for the potato to cook and avoid any spills in the oven. Putting my steak into the oven right now. Guys, dinner is ready and served. Let's dig right in and see how this tastes. Just gonna cut that baby up. Look at that, it's all done. It looks tender and juicy. Let's try the potatoes. It's really good. Thank you all for watching my videos. Please try this recipe at home with your loved ones, and please don't forget to subscribe to Gilles Cuisine. Thank you. Bye bye.